Welcome to Martin Edo class. Okay, let's look at these two questions. Let's solve together. We have the first one, which says, given that 110 base x is equal to 40 base 5, find the value of x. Let's look at this. Let's find the value of x in this question. So I'll bring it down here. 110 base x is equal to 40 base 5. So the first thing we do here is what? We express them all to base 10. Now this topic is actually number system, a topic called number system in mathematics. So this is where I extracted these questions from. So we have here 110 base x is equal to 40 base 5. So let's express them to base 10. So this, we can power this 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. So in this case, we are having here 1 times x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 times x raised to the power of 1 plus 0 times x raised to the power of 0 is equal to 40 times 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 0 times 5 raised to the power of 0. Okay, so let's continue. Now, x raised to the power of 2, this x squared times 1 is still x squared. And x raised to the power of 1 times 1, of course, is the x, plus x raised to the power of 0 is 1, and 1 times 0 is still 0. So we can just leave that instead of saying plus 0, it's still the same thing. Good, the same thing here. 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5, and 5 times 4 we are having 20. Here, 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1, and 1 times 0 is 0. Please don't forget that any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. The same here, x raised to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. Don't forget that. Okay, good. So see what we are having now. Look at this now. We can try to make this becomes x squared plus x. This comes here, it becomes what? Minus 20 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation. Of course, we use what? Let's factorize. Let's factorize. That will be easier for us. Okay, so we look for 2. If we multiply this is given us minus 20 x squared. We look for two factors that by the time we multiply it, when we add together or subtract together, we'll get the value of this x, which is what? Which is 1. Okay, so we can take 4 and 5. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 and 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Now, if we put, we are looking for the value of what? Plus 1. So we can have here to be minus and here to be what? Plus. So minus 4 plus 5 will give us the same thing as plus 1. Is that okay? Good. So this becomes x squared minus 4x plus 5x minus what? 20 is equal to 0. Remember, we are finding the real value of x. So this is still the same thing as plus x. Good. So let's factorize from here. Factorize here now. Factorize. So what's common here? You can see x is common here. X squared here, dividing here is giving us what? X. And 4x dividing here, divided by x is giving us what? 4. Same thing here. We have plus sign. What's common here? Of course, 5 can go in here in this place. So we have 5 here. 5x divided by 5, we are having x. The same thing here. Plus times minus remains minus. 20 divided by 5, we are having 4. 20 divided by 5, we are having a 4. Is that okay now? So this is giving us is equal to 0. Now, take a note of something. Take note of this. You must always have the same thing inside the bracket. X minus 4 and x minus 4. Is that okay? Okay. So in this case here, we can now take this x plus 5 is equal to 0, or we take one of these, x minus 4 is equal to 0 in this case. Okay, so now let's get the final value of x. By the time this plus 5 crosses to this side, it's going to give us x is equal to minus 5. Okay, so the same thing here. By the time this x minus 4 crosses to the other side, we are having what? Or x is equal to plus 4. Is that okay? So therefore, the real value of x is just equal to what? 4. That is it. So let's look at the second one, which says if 132 base n is equal to 30 base 10, calculate the value of n. Is that okay? So I will leave this number 2 for you. Try it and put the answer in the comment section. Thank you so much. I know you have learned something in today's class. Please try, share, like, and comment. Please share. There are many people out there who might need this topic. Thank you. Bye.